Bitpanda NFT Services Europe app. The pros, the cons. The Bitpanda NFT Services Europe app is turning a major crypto platform into a NFT-friendly hub. Most people get this wrong by assuming Bitpanda is only for trading crypto, but the surprising truth is that it now allows users to browse, purchase, and manage NFTs in the app. On the pros side, Bitpanda provides strong security with two-factor authentication and encrypted wallets. NFT funding is straightforward through your crypto account, and the interface is clean and beginner-friendly. Users can track their NFT collections and participate in exclusive drops without leaving the platform. On the cons side, the marketplace is smaller than global NFT platforms with fewer rare items and limited advanced tools. Auctions analytics and cross-chain support are minimal, and fees may increase during high-demand periods. In conclusion, the Bitpanda NFT Services Europe app is great for European users looking for a safe and integrated NFT experience. While it doesn't offer the variety or advanced features of larger marketplaces, its convenience, security, and simplicity make it an excellent choice for beginners.